Good evening, Dean Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist here. Overnight outlook time. Let's start with temperatures around the Roanoke Valley. 36 in Galax, 34 Blacksburg, 35 Bluefield, 40 Roanoke, 37 Lynchburg, 30 Hot Springs, 37 Lewisburg, 31 in Danville. And national temperature: 25 Santa Fe, 20 Salt Lake City, 57 Los Angeles, 37 up here in Seattle, 22 Billings, 6 Minneapolis, 30 Kansas City. You see where the warm air is here in Texas. 61 New Orleans, 71 in Florida. That's where the warm air and cold air are separated. 47 Atlanta, 29 Louisville, 35 Washington D.C., and 34 in Boston. Latest satellite image, we have the cold front off the coast. We have another system moving in here from the south and the west, and that may put some precipitation in Roanoke and south here tomorrow night. Coating of snow is possible, especially in North Carolina or parts of southern Virginia. Not seeing much more of that before the next system will move in for Friday, which is going to be more or less a northeastern system that'll develop well right around at this location and give some heavy snow here, mainly in the Boston area. Can't get snow because they may have some snow, but not as much as they could if it developed here off the Carolina coast, and that definitely takes away a lot of snow from Roanoke at this time also. Looking at the synoptic maps, you can see here we have the low pressure sitting there along the coast, some precipitation along the south coast, also along here in the northeast with the lake effects stuff, and we can move on. And you see that low pressure along the coast, and that troughiness will give the possibility of some light snow as the next clipper comes through with Roanoke Valley. Before this low in the Midwest will move towards the coast, and that will be the situation we're going to have to watch for. And looking through 3 to 7 days, you can see when we progress, we get a low pressure here off the coast of Massachusetts. Where this goes depends on how much snow will go along the Cape here and what will happen. We can continue to move on for the next system, which may be even more interesting when we get towards day 7 and towards next week. We may actually have some more interesting situation by next Tuesday here along the Roanoke Valley, and then up in the northeast as the thing would bottom out. So what stuff we definitely got to keep an eye on here, and we will here at LiveWeatherBlogs.com to keep the latest information coming in. The forecast overnight clear, 41 Wednesday. Chance of snow tomorrow evening, up to a coating, 26. 41 Thursday. Chance of snow again Thursday night into Friday, and that could be an inch or two, depending on how it sets up. 19 on Friday night, 32 on Saturday as we go into the weekend, and by next week we could have something very interesting brewing by next Tuesday. And for the triad, 26 overnight, 45 Wednesday, slight chance of snow Wednesday night, and then also chance of snow Thursday into Friday, 38 Saturday, and once again we have to watch for next week for a possible storm for next Tuesday. So our chances of snow are increasing, and this cold pattern looks to sink itself in for a couple weeks. For later, this is Dean D. Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist. Have a great evening, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.